Restart it. Yeah, I think it started. Yeah. Okay. So welcome to DURGASOFT, guys. Thanks for joining. Let's start with our introduction, guys. Okay. First, we'll go with your introduction. Just your name, your recording starts. Yeah, now it's started. So this is about my background, guys. Okay. Then, apart from IT experience, I have training experience also around 7 years, guys. As I told, I was a Linux administrator. So since then, like I started Linux. So after that, also once I moved into DevOps, also I am giving trainings on DevOps. Okay, that's about my background. And guys, in today's class, I am going to explain. I'm going to give a clear picture. So what is a real time, first of all, and like why do we need DevOps in real time? Okay, so what is the requirement and all I will show you clearly. So already whoever has experience, so please bear with me first 15 minutes. Okay, because we have some non-IT guys also, freshers also. Maybe you are from IT but different background. So that's the reason I requested for your introduction, guys. Definitely as a new user, while you want to switch to DevOps career, you may have different maybe queries whether I'm suitable for this DevOps or not. I'm from non-IT. I'm a like BTech different batch background, or else a BSc, or maybe some other like a non. I'm not a computer guy, so don't worry about that. It's not. I'm also BSc guy. Okay, so it's not a big deal. All you need is dedication. So DevOps is not a single tool. It's a culture set of tools. Okay, so here I will explain first like what is real time. So how the real time, maybe you may heard your friends, your colleagues, your like brothers, maybe neighbors, they're working in IT field. So what they do in IT field? Okay, let me take one sample example. Okay, let's take ICICI website. So guys, try to understand. Okay, let's take website, ICICI website. So when I'm a customer actually, okay, for ICICIbank.com. So when I type ICICIbank.com, what will happen exactly? So how I'm getting this web page? So anybody guys, anybody knows it? How I'm getting this web page? Is it there in my laptop? This web page? YouTube.com. How I'm getting that YouTube.com? Is it there in my laptop? No. Actually, what will happen means over the network, okay, it will reach out to the data center, the YouTube data center. So basically, every organization maintain the data centers. So there only they will maintain the servers. Server is nothing but operating system. Server is nothing but operating system with applications. Guys, front end, you are seeing ICICI website. So to host this website in their organization, in their maybe what I can say data center, they use different technologies. So definitely, where do they install the application? In servers only, right? So different servers they will maintain in the data center. So basically, these data center is called as production data center. So production, where production servers are available, production environment. So in the same way, minimum they will maintain 3 set of data centers, guys, like this. Every organization, they will maintain 3 data centers like this. Okay, now every organization, it doesn't matter ICICI, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, minimum it will maintain 3 data. Same setup will be there, guys. 3 data center means 3 buildings, I can say. Same set of servers. So here, one they use it for development purpose. One set of server they use it for product testing purpose. Okay, so and one more is production, customer purpose. So whenever now see, whenever I type icsabank.com, it reaches to the ICICI data center. This is my laptop, and here in browser, when I type icsabank.com, it reaches to ICICI website.com. Here it is running. Okay, these are called as production. Maybe let's take WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a basic application. Everybody knows it. What is WhatsApp? It's a communication tool. I'm chatting. I'm able to do chatting. What are the other functionalities we do? How? Audio calling, group calling, chatting, payments. So whenever in my mobile I'm accessing WhatsApp application, okay, so it is connecting to those data center servers where WhatsApp internally different technologies they will use, guys. Front end, the all together it is working as WhatsApp, but in back end they will use different technologies. Okay, now maybe different I will give you that application list also. Generally, what are the commonly used applications in real time? Okay, now like this, 3 data centers available. Why 3 data centers means? So guys, why like that means? Example, let's take WhatsApp. Initially, what they released only chatting, thereafter audio calling, thereafter video calling, thereafter payment. Slowly they're upgrading they're adding new functionality. So guys, here why they like even employees also won't go to data center, guys. Example, WhatsApp employees will be there, right? They will sit in office. Example, iTech City. In iTech City, they will sit here with their laptops. Developer, application team, database team, tester. So data centers will be in secured location somewhere in forest or somewhere secure location. No one will be allowed. Only data center engineer. The remaining all the IT team will be available over the network. On employees also they won't go to data center. They will connect from office only. So that's where the laptops required for them. And here in development environment only they do the new developments, guys. In development only. So once maybe it may take 10 days, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. After that, if it is working fine, the functionality, then they will develop, they will implement the same thing in testing data center. So whatever they developed in development server, they will implement here and tester comes into picture for quality purpose. They will do the quality checks, how my application is working. Is there any problem while doing chatting and all? Is it reaching it to correct person or not? Is it taking any time? Quality checks happen here. So something anybody is able to read that data in between it when while it is in network and all those kind of testing will happen. So your tester comes into picture. Your tester will connect to these servers and do the test. And if everything goes well, then only so the team will implement the same setup here. Will build the new servers in this data center and install that functionality. And finally, will create a small client application and release it to Play Store. Now, whenever Amar open Play Store or WhatsApp application, he'll be notified. Hey, Amar, you have latest upgrade, latest application for your version, for your WhatsApp. I will download and I will use it. Now again, audio calling. First audio calling they will develop here only in development servers. Right, Java developer will write the code. So thereafter, if maybe 1 month, 2 months they will take. Once it is completed, they will test here, and then after release production servers. The same setup they will do here, and finally they'll create a small new version for that audio calling and release it into the market. Now again I will upgrade my application. Same. Now video calling. That's the reason. This is the like flow, guys. Every project doesn't matter which project you are working for. Internally, they may use different tools or maybe different website they are displaying out of matter. But internal compulsory they will follow this procedure only. Development will be there, testing setup will be there, production same application, same setup. Okay, that is this. All these stages are together called as SDLC, software development lifecycle. So in your project, the IT employees are working for ISDLC process only, guys. It doesn't matter which application they are working, which project they are working. Compulsory they are working for SDLC only. All these stages are called as SDLC. Okay, na? So maybe previously, if you take around 10 years back. So guys, the maybe if you observe, I don't know how many were using laptop that point of time. Anybody? Anything you want to say, guys? Something I heard some voice. Anybody wanted to ask anything? Okay, that's fine. So maybe 10 years back, if you see, there also they are doing SDLC. Now also they are doing SDLC. But 10 years back, minimum 1 to 6 months, 1 year they used to take to release a new version. It can be any application. Previously also we have so many applications, right? Websites and all since 15, 20 years. But if they like upgrades, maybe new versions, they used to take minimum 1 year to complete this SDLC, guys. For audio calling 1 year, for video calling 1 year, maybe if at all that is available that time. I'm just an example I'm taking, guys. But nowadays, if you remember, if you can see ICSA, Facebook, they're releasing the versions, new versions for your applications within 15 days, within 1 month, within 2 months. How it is possible? Previously, they used to take 1 year for the update, for latest upgrade, latest update for your application, for new functionality. But nowadays, hardly 15 days, 1 month. Even ICICI Bank, they're releasing the updates within 15 days, 1 month only, most of the time. How it is possible? Within 15 days, they're completing all these stages. Development completed, testing completed, production completed. How? The SDLC they are following, but still within 15 days, 20 days, 1 month. So that's where DevOps comes into picture. Guys, here SDLC we can achieve in 2 ways. Basically, SDLC means example, I want to develop audio calling. First, gatherings, analysis will happen, guys. Okay, now first analysis will happen. Maybe what is that audio calling functionality? How to develop? Where? Maybe how many days it will take? Then after the team lead will create exact roadmap design, like which team is responsible for which task and all. Then only the actual task will start. Like your developer, your system admin will start will talk to data center engineer, okay, and he will set up the hardware here and install the operating system for that audio calling. Then your developer will start writing the code, and it may take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, so thereafter, again your data center engineer will set up the servers here for testing purpose, and the same application we will implement it, will install here, and tester comes into picture. Then after production, we'll implement the same environment here, same servers, the same application, and finally we'll create a small application. So everything is over the network only, guys. Even employees also won't go to the respective data centers. Over the network only they can access those data centers. Okay, this is what SDLC. Here in SDLC they can do in 2 ways, guys. Actually, there are popular method, waterfall method and agile methodology. So waterfall is older method, guys. Nowadays no one using. It's a failure method. Example, like I want to develop WhatsApp project. Okay, na? So I have in my mind WhatsApp. So what are the things I want to develop? Audio calling, video calling, chatting. So I have in some like application functionalities in my mind. So what I do, I'll start in one shot. So see, requirement gathering I'm taking, so full for WhatsApp application. Then design. So 1 year target I have, assume that 10 months target I have. Within 10 months I'm releasing only one version. Waterfall method, that is called as SDLC. I'm completing for see, first analysis, then after design, then after this is the actual development, then testing phase, then release phase. Only one version they are releasing. But if you see in agile method, okay, so what we do, guys, Here we don't here I'll assume that my my target is 1 year. Okay, now I will divide that 1 year into equal intervals. So basically those are called as sprints. Maybe based on project, guys. Okay, now based on project, it will be, so I can make a one month, maybe 15 days, or what I can say, or 2 months, 3 months sprint. Okay, I can go with equal intervals. Okay, na? And maybe here in this picture you can see 1 month interval, but it can be 2 months interval, 3 months interval in agile methodology for your product. See, SDLC I'm completing for first 1 month. I will go with the charting functionality. First 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, your wish, based on your interval. We can call it a sprint, basically. Sprint goal, that 1 month equal intervals we are making, right? That is called a sprint or goal. So first I will release with charting, basic functionality. I'll release it to the customer with charting. So maybe next month, next iteration, I'll start with audio calling for SDLC for audio calling. So meanwhile, I'll get a feedback from first already customers using, right? So they will give you the feedback also in Play Store and App Store. You can give the feedback. So like we'll get the feedback from first. So if any issues, so those issues also we will fix here. We'll go with a new functionality plus old issues also we will fix. In the same second release, they will release in next month. Next third month, they will start with new functionality plus 1 and 2 fixes they will fix. SDLC they will complete in agile method. Waterfall also agile only. Even sorry, SDLC only. Agile also SDLC only. Just methodologies, guys. Here only one version in entire life cycle, but here multiple life cycles, multiple versions you are releasing. Nowadays, see WhatsApp since beginning, how many versions they released? Okay, so maybe guys, while upgrading your WhatsApp, if you go just scroll down, there you can see that. I mean, in Play Store or App Store, just come down, scroll down while upgrading. You can see what is there in that new version. So basically, SDLC is very crucial component in a real time. How faster, how much quality you are maintaining in your project, that is very important. So previously, around 1 year, maybe 10 years back, agile methodology is there, but they used to take minimum 6 months, 1 year again to release the product. See, 3 months, 6 months to release the version, one version of your application, because it has SDLC, development, testing, production, all they have to complete. Then only they can release the product to the market. So that's where DevOps comes into picture. So DevOps is a culture. DevOps is a set of tools. It will faster your SDLC process, guys. 6 months project, I can make it within 3 months. Automation, guys. Mostly DevOps is automation. Manual work, it will reduce the manual work. Let me show you how we can reduce it. Example, you are following Agile methodology. Okay, na? Maybe here it's taking 1 month, but once you have the like design, all I need is my servers. Maybe 10 servers I need. Assume that for a development purpose. So guys, building data center, building server is not that much easy real time. So previously, I used to go with my own data center. See, he's setting up. This is the server. This is the data center, guys. Server. Here, this is server. 1, 2, 3, 16 servers will be like this. In data center, this is one enclosure. In one enclosure, 16 servers will be there. One, no keyboard, no monitor, no CPU. No mouse. Only this one. Over the network only we will log into this server. Even employee also. Here only we'll install the operating system and application. See how much like complex configuration it is, wiring, network, storage, power. So this much tough it is. So previously we used to do this on top of physical servers, physically like this. But now we have a tool called Docker. If you remember, generally guys, to install operating system, how much time it will take for you anywhere? In your laptop, example. In your laptop to install operating system, how much time it will take, guys?
1 hour, Windows 10.
Minimum, right? Can you please guess with Docker? Docker is one of the DevOps tool. With the help of Docker, we can install operating systems. Actually, we can call them as containers. Can you guess how much time it will take for Docker with the Docker?
5
Your
to
interest?
10 minutes because it
Okay.
install images.
Any other figure? Guess it.
No idea.
You cannot believe. 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you can install the operating system by using Docker. 10 seconds. Not even 10 seconds, just less than 10 seconds. So we see, guys. See, in real time, if you go with your own data center, like to set up this hardware itself, minimum 15 days it will take. After that, to install OS on top of each disk, each server, it will take minimum 3 hours previously. But now, on top of it, we can, if you install Docker, so within 10 seconds, you can install your operating system, guys. Within 10 seconds. See the advantage. Oh, okay, your infrastructure is ready, your operating system ready. Now, example, your Java developer written some code here. Okay, so by connecting to the development server. Now, after that, guys, development means not only writing the data code. So there are some set of different teams available here: application team, database team, developer. So once a developer, every time he returns some code here, Java code, so there are other teams also involved here. So he will reach to application team, because this code he has to install, create an application with that. So application team, they used to, like, they should do some configuration related to this new code every time. In a day, 10 times, if we do changes, 10 times all the teams should involve in development. So there are manual efforts are there. So dependency between the team is there. For example, it's a Friday 3 p.m. IST. So developer written some code. Okay. So maybe application team, database teams, like to weekend, right? Weekend mode. So they left from the office. So developer cannot proceed. He should wait until Monday, because you don't know whether it's working or not. That code he written is able to create an application. Is that component working as expected or not? He don't know. He should wait until Monday, because he don't have access to that applications and all. Application team only they used to do that. That's where Jenkins comes into picture. One more application. So we'll install Jenkins in one more server. Whatever the application team, database team, the command they should run, right? So we will add those commands here. And this server also, where is writing the code, that server also will add this to this Jenkins application. So now onwards, whenever developer written some code here, so my server, my Jenkins will come to know that, oh, something developer written. So automatically the remaining task will be done by my Jenkins. So in that way, you're reducing the dependency between the teams, and you're making, definitely machine made is always fast. You're doing something manually and you're doing by using machine. Definitely it will be good. You'll get quality product. very faster you can make it. So that is the reason. All the things, whatever you are doing manually, routine task, by using DevOps, okay, so you can make them very faster. So later, slowly, around 10 to 12 tools are there, guys, in our course. So every tool has its own purpose. By using those tools, we can reduce the efforts, the team efforts. Whatever they are doing manually, we can make it automation. For example, let's take operating system installation. As I told previously, 2-3 hours per one operating, but now less than 10 seconds. And dependency reduced, as I told, by using Jenkins. And regular updates you can do by using some Ansible tool. You don't need to do it manually. Automatically it will do by maybe taking the time intervals or something based on some condition and all. So DevOps completely reduces the SDLC time, guys. 6 months project we can make it within 3 months. That too with less resource. Okay, so that's the reason nowadays DevOps is more popular. So guys, if they stop the SDLC process, but maybe assume that WhatsApp is taking 6 months to add the new functionality, but the same competitor is taking only 3 months to add the new functionality. Definitely, the customers will be attracted to the new product, the other competitor, not to the WhatsApp. That's where always organizations will try to make SDLC faster, secure, quality, with less resource, within less time. So that's where DevOps comes into picture. That's the reason every organization they are looking for the DevOps guys. They're trying to implement DevOps in their projects. It can be new project, it can be old project. They will add the new like DevOps. By adding DevOps tools, they can reduce the efforts. Easily make it 3 months. Nowadays, ICAC, so I can see within 15 days they're releasing the product. How it is possible? SDLC, definitely they will follow SDLC, but there they are using automation tools, our DevOps tools. I'm not saying DevOps they are using, but there are so many automation ways. DevOps is one of. Okay, so that's where DevOps comes into picture, guys. Now, guys, anybody join from laptop? Because today I will show you the prerequisite also. So what do you need to continue my class? And about the timings, guys, actually I'm sorry. So these 9:30 is not actual time. Okay, only for 1 week the timing will be 9:30. Okay, so Linux is a prerequisite, guys. Okay, so Linux first 1 week only 9:30 p.m. IST, guys. So I have two DevOps batches. Okay, now you can join anywhere after Linux class. Because 9:30 it's too late, right? No one is joining. Only for demo and first 1 week it's 9:30 p.m. IST, guys. Okay, na? So all are Indian timings only, guys. If you are from outside, please convert it into Indian timings. So either you can join this morning batch or evening batch. Both are different batches, guys. Okay, and after Linux, these two are the batches. So please make sure that. Okay, now so you can join in one of the batch or both. Also, it's your wish, guys. Completely. I don't have any. Once you enroll, guys, you can join any number of times with me. Okay, now anywhere, any batch, you can change later also. Okay, so this is, and one more thing, guys, just a minute. Actually, let me provide a WhatsApp group. Everybody, can you please join in that WhatsApp group, guys, so that you will get a class recording and the course content. I will share it with you. Everybody, can you please join in this? So I'll ping in here. Just a minute. What is the date today, guys? 6th, right? Yeah. So guys, can you please join in this group? I just pinged in group chat. Are you able to see the chat box, guys? Hello, guys. Are you able to see the chat box?
I can see the chat box, but I cannot see the chat.
Okay.
Same here.
Same here.
Okay.
Yeah, it
Can you
came
join
now.
here? Everybody, can you please join here in this WhatsApp group, guys? So you will get a course content, class recordings, or else this is my number, guys. This is also fine. Everybody, can you please join in the, sorry, last only 10 digits, guys. So first one is wrong. Okay, so that number. Everybody, can you please join in this link, guys, so that you'll get course content, class recording, and if you have any questions also, you can ping me. Everybody, can you please join? Or if you have problem with link, ping me on that WhatsApp number, guys. That is my WhatsApp number. And these
Yeah, we
are
have
the
chat.
2 times I have, guys, DevOps. Okay, na? So 9:30 is not regular class, only for first 1 week. After that, you have to join in these 2 batches, one of the batch, either morning batch or evening batch, guys. Yeah. So now anybody join from laptop, guys? I will show like the prerequisite. So for practice purpose and all, where do we do our practice? So guys, one more thing here nowadays, even companies also, okay, definitely I need data center, right? Okay, we need data center for our project. It doesn't matter which project you are working for, ICICI, Facebook, Twitter, they should have the data center. But these data centers are very costly, guys. You need different teams to maintain this data center, like a data center engineer, system admin, storage admin, network admin, backup admin, because all are different technologies. One person cannot maintain. Different teams required. So it increases your project cost also. So nowadays, what we are doing is most of the projects. So there are some third-party cloud providers. Already they established the data centers across the world, India, US, Canada, Singapore, like AWS, Azure, Google. So some third party providers, what they did, so they created the data centers and they created easy web application. For example, maybe I'm the owner of one project, WhatsApp project. So I no need to maintain my own data center. Simple, I can create account with AWS and there I can create my servers. There only my applications, my servers, my DevOps tool, everything I can install. And there only like we maintain our server. So here also in my class also, guys, we will work on AWS data center. So there only will manage our what I can say, servers, tools. Everybody, can you please join there, guys? Still, like I can see only few people joined. Okay, it's not like you're joining my classes. So simple. If you don't, maybe you can take decision after my Sunday class. Okay. So tomorrow also we have class, guys. Tomorrow and Sunday also, 9:30 p.m. same time. 9:30 p.m. we have class tomorrow also. Maybe, yeah. So guys, anybody join from laptop? I will show you how to create your AWS account. So that is our prerequisite for our class, guys. Compulsory. Everybody should have your own data center, guys. Sorry, AWS account. Can someone please volunteer to me so that I will show you? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir, you can proceed.
I'm sorry.
Yes, you can proceed further.
No. My question is, I'm asking you guys to show me your screen. Anybody join from laptop? Anybody joined from laptop? Guys.
Yes, I have joined from laptop, but I already have an AWS account.
Oh, good. Okay, that's fine. Anybody else? Anybody else? At least you can join right away quickly. So it won't take much time, hardly 10 minutes, guys. Can someone please join from laptop? That is the prerequisite, guys, for our class. Everybody, can you please show me that? At least one person. Take initiative, guys. Don't waste the time. If anybody, any, and guys, if you have problem with my link, please ping here. I will add you into my WhatsApp group. This is my WhatsApp number because still only few people ping me. Can someone please take initiative, guys? Don't waste the time. It's already 10:30, 10:20. Vipin,
Yes, I will do.
can you please do it? Or anybody else also? If anybody returns from laptop also, please give me control, guys. So I will show you how to create AWS account. It's a free account only, guys. Very easy to create. Hardly 10 minutes it will take.
What should I do, Amarender?
Okay, so have you joined from laptop, Vipin?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, I will give you presenter role. Can you share your screen once?
Okay.
Everybody, guys, you have to create this AWS account. Okay, now there only we create our servers. With there only we do practice, guys. Do you have already account, Vipin?
Yes, I have.
Oh, it seems okay. Just a minute. Maybe I need others then who doesn't have a AWS account. Can someone please respond to me? Hello, guys. Asimlu, do you have AWS account?
Hello, Amar.
Yes.
Uh, can I present my screen?
Yes. Have you joined from laptop? And do you have AWS account?
No.
Not able to see you. Have you joined from mobile or laptop?
I'm joined from the laptop.
What is your name? Can I pass the control?
I don't see someone to see the option. Okay, that's fine. Otherwise, we'll do one thing, guys. Maybe tomorrow class, please join. Everybody join from laptop only. Because Nasimlo, I don't see you are in laptop now. Unable to call to you. Okay. So meanwhile, do you have any questions, guys? Okay, leave it about AWS account now. As of now, we'll talk about that later tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow also we have class, guys, at same time, 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me now.
Do we have to enroll the class tomorrow also, or with the same link we can join?
Same link you can join. So next like 2-3 days, same link only. After that, whoever enroll, for them they will get the link. Okay, na? So guys, any questions? Do you have any questions, everybody?
Yes.
What will be the duration of this course?
Arsimbu, can you please mute yourself, please? Some disturbance. Yeah. Tell me,
Hello.
guys. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Amar, what will be the duration of this course actually?
3 months.
3 months, right? Okay.
Yes. Minimum 3 months.
And you will be teaching AWS and Docker and Kubernetes also, right?
Yes, you're right. Yes. AWS also will be covered, but not all the like advanced level services. Why? Because again, our concern is DevOps, right? AWS is also again it's a ocean. So maximum services will be covered, like 10 to 15 services. And apart from that, DevOps is our concern here. Next. Any other questions, guys? Do you have?
I have a question. So
Yes,
I don't have any Linux background. I know basic Linux command, but I am not an administrator. So what is the background required for this?
So definitely Linux is required. Okay, so that's what first 1 week I will cover Linux basics only. But definitely additional things also we have to learn. In day-to-day DevOps classes also Linux commands will be added, covered. Okay, but your cooperation is compulsory required here. So guys, DevOps is not an easy thing. Definitely we have to show some dedication here. Okay, so without dedication it's not possible. And make sure that guys you practice more, and but you will get more packages guys in DevOps as a DevOps engineer. For 3-4 years experience also you will get minimum 15 lakhs. That's the advantage of DevOps, because that much booming tech nowadays. So it's a one of like commonly used technology in real time. Everybody, okay, please do minimum 3 to 4 hours work you have to do guys every day. Practice more, work hard, do R&D. In that way you will get more knowledge. Okay, because apart from the class also I will give you the task daily basis, minimum 2-3 days once I will give you the task for every tool. You have to work on that tool also, then only you will get the things guys. You will get more here, something like the trainer will give you trainer will teach something and the same thing will be there in real time also, not like that. Okay now, so again, so DevOps is completely new, project to project it will be varied. Even the same tool has different ways to implement. Okay, so Google is also one of the key skill set you should know here. So that's where what I do, I'll give you the task guys. Already I prepared a set of tasks. Okay, so everybody you have to work on my tasks apart from the class. Without just simply listening class, leaving, it's waste of your time definitely. Okay, now please everybody make sure that you join classes regularly, practice more, complete the task. So minimum 3 months is the class duration, guys. Every day 1 hour minimum, Monday to Friday, either morning 7:15 a.m. or evening 7 p.m. guys. So 2 batches I have. You can join anywhere.
What if we miss one class? Is there any recording?
Yes, you will get the recordings daily. Don't worry about that. Okay, na? Yeah.
Okay.
If at all you completely miss the tool, example you enrolled for morning batch, okay, you like completely missed one tool, the same tool you can listen in evening also whenever it started. So you just
How you
ping me.
follow on that? Okay, you
Huh?
can let us know. So you can let us know, right? It is going to be covered in the today's evening or something like that.
Yes, exactly. If you ask me, I will give you that information. If something you miss darker, assume that in morning batch, okay na, then you can ask me like Amar something Docker I want to listen one more. Of course, even if you don't miss also you want to listen one more time, definitely you can ping me. I'll give you the chance. 2 times, 3 times, any number of times you can join. I don't have any problem. So that chance I'm giving.
Can I ask
So we
one
will
more
go
thing?
Sure, go ahead, please.
Yeah. So what is the difference between AWS DevOps and Azure DevOps? Nowadays, we are hearing a lot about Azure DevOps also, right?
Yes. Actually, here one thing, DevOps tools we have like open source tools also, plus in AWS also they are providing the DevOps tools. Okay, now so DevOps tool example Jenkins is there. It's a DevOps tool. So the same similar service they are providing in AWS also. Basically that is called as AWS DevOps. Okay, na? Plus Azure also same. Apart from open source tool, Azure also they are providing the service for this Jenkins. Azure DevOps tool is there. Example Git is there. Git is one of the DevOps tool. In AWS and Azure also they have the like Git similar tool, code build, code commit. The Azure DevOps, some services they are providing. That's the difference. That is a service, inbuilt service which available in AWS is called as AWS DevOps, and inbuilt service for DevOps tools in Azure called as Azure DevOps. Did you understand?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And even we have open source tools also, like Jenkins, Git. So your wish completely based on your project. You can go with either AWS or Azure managed DevOps tools, or else outside DevOps tools. Anything is fine. Any other questions?
So we are covering most of the tools like or deep, like in depth, right?
Yes, what maximum level we need, but here your cooperation also required, as I told, because DevOps tools are again everything is ocean. Okay, so I cannot say like to attract you. I cannot say like I will cover everything 100%. So your cooperation also required. That's what I will give you the task. Okay, so maybe apart from the class topics, you have to work on my tasks also to get more knowledge. Okay, because everything we cannot cover in class. There are so many things to learn. Your cooperation is compulsory required apart from class to get more idea. No one will cover. Definitely they will. Nowadays, the trainers, the insurers, they are giving huge course content, but definitely they cannot cover that. It's very impossible. They will say 20 tools, 30 tools in a course content. How it is possible in 3 months, 4 months? Only it's a showcase purpose. 100% no one will cover. Even I cannot cover. So I will give task apart from that. That's my responsibility. So are you clear?
Okay.
But the DevOps, so we have to pay some money to AWS, right? Using credit
No,
card then?
no, actually, it's a initially they're providing free services only. You don't need to
That's
pay for that.
okay. Free services is enough for our training.
Yes. If at all
Okay.
you cross that limit, I mean it's not completely free cost, okay na. Only like a few of them. Few of them are free, and if you cross that limit, you have to what I can say. So create one more account.
Okay. Okay.
Any other questions? But everybody, guys, tomorrow please join from laptop only. Don't join from mobile until unless you have some problem. You're outside. Because tomorrow I have to show AWS account. If you join from mobile, I cannot show you that. I don't directly. I will go with the Linux creation and I will start the Linux topic. So compulsory, please join from laptop only. Everybody, okay na? Until unless you have some problem. Any questions? Maybe if you don't have any questions, we'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Okay? Same link,
Okay.
same time.
Okay. Thank you.
So first 1 week, same link, guys. You don't need to wait for the link. I mean, maybe first 3 days, not 1 week. First 3 days, same link. until Monday, I think so. After that, the link will be changed. By the time you should enroll. So guys,
Okay.
Durga
What is the
people
course content actually?
yeah, that's what. If you join in my my WhatsApp group, I will send it to you. Have you joined?
Yeah, I have joined.
Yeah, I will send there. So guys, last maybe I can say 3 to 4 months, minimum 30 students got the offers, guys. Minimum 30 offers. We like my students got the offers. I will send those offer letters also. Okay, minimum 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs, 12 lakhs. Even for 3 years also 11 lakhs package we got. Okay, but it's
So
all
one,
your
one
dedication also, guys. Yeah.
so for experienced people, after doing this course, will it be possible to show some experience?
That's what I'm giving the task now. Tasks are from
Yeah.
real time.
Okay. Okay.
What we do in real time, that task only I'm giving it to you. It's not like after the course. While having the course itself, for each tool I will give you the task. What we do in real time. You have to work on it to get more knowledge.
Oh, okay.
Those things only we do in real time also. Okay, minimum 3 to 4 hours you have to work. Some topics you may not understand immediately. So after practice only you will come. You will get you can understand. So practice more important here.
Sir, in the task, suppose we need some help, so we can contact you to get the resolutions, right?
Maybe hint I will give you. In class I will show you. I will just give. Maybe individually I cannot connect with you. Okay, but in
In
class
the
if
class.
something like you're asking, so I can give hint. This is how you can do that and all. Because again in class task we cannot do that. Task again it will take minimum 2-3 hours for one task sometimes. Right. So I will give you the hint how to do, what to do and all. If you get some error, so something to resolve this error, this is the way possibility. That's how. Maybe you can group together. Your people is other people are there, right? Work together. In that way you can resolve the issue. But in class we cannot do that. And individually also I cannot connect to you. Okay. In class only you have to ask. Maybe here and there 1 or 2 doubts. In group you can, WhatsApp group we are maintaining, right? There you can ask the doubts. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else? Guys, anybody else? Do you have any questions? And please join from laptop only, guys, without fail tomorrow. Don't join from mobile until unless you have some issue, some problems. Okay, na? Yeah. Maybe if you don't have any questions, guys, let's wind up the call. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.